Hello guys, it's me Max. It is currently about 2 in the morning, 3 maybe. Yeah, it's gotta be like 3. And you know, I just decided to go for a walk and yeah, got a banana here that I'm gonna eat. You know, it's been in my fridge for like 6 days now. Gotta eat it before it's gone. And yeah, I'm just gonna talk about stuff. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the beach, probably, and I'll think about it. Anyways, see you there. Peace. Meow meow meow. Oi. Oi 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 oi. Hey buddy. Psst, psst, psst. Meow meow. Meow meow. Look at you, mate. Nice insane. Okay, mate. Whew, I've gotta go. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, they're following me. Look at this. Hey, psst, psst. There's another one. Check it out. Holy. My camcorder says that it's currently 4:20 a.m. which is funny. I mean, it's got to be like 3:20. But yeah. Love you guys. You guys are so funny. Love you. I sure hope I don't get sick from touching you. Psst, psst, psst. Yo, look, there's another one. How cute. Wait, psst, psst, psst. Psst, psst, psst. Come here, buddy. Oh, look at it. It's funny. There's another one, there's more. Why? Psst, psst, psst. Aw. He doesn't want me to touch him. Oh, look at you, mate. How are you? Wait. Wait, come here, buddy. I'm missing a bit of his ear. Actually, that's fine. Look at this one. That's the white one. Yeah. Wait, psst, psst. Can I touch you? Thank you. You know, I should probably bring my cat here. Hi. Holly. This one. Okay, buddies. I gotta go. Adios. Wow. That was something. That was something. I liked it. I did. What? Look at him. He's following me. They're all following me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What a cute fella. Psst, psst, psst. Psst, 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 psst. Psst, 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 psst. Psst, psst. Psst, psst. Psst, psst. Psst, psst, psst. You also want me to follow you? I mean, I can do that, yeah. What do we have here? That's... wow. I'll put the metal to skin and then I'll go on a whim and say, like I don't wanna be here, but fuck you know. Like smoking cigarettes with pretty girls inside my head. Do you remember when you said you're smoking less and that you had it off your chest? I fucking hate it when you told me. You want me to follow you, buddy? Okay, I'm coming, yeah, sure. I don't know if I can like record in night vision on this one. But you know. Meow meow. Yeah, yeah. I legit got no clue if you guys can see anything. Like there's like 3 cats here. Meow meow. Yeah, can I touch you? Can I touch you? Good boy, buddy. Love you. What about you? Can I touch you? Psst, psst, psst. Nice. That's good. Psst, psst, psst. Yeah, there's another one. This one from before. The one that I had it. The one that I pet. Can I touch you also? You guys are so cute. I gotta bring mine someday. And I will. Okay, buddies, I've gotta go. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this is, you know, can you guys even see me? Cause I can't. This is night San Gabriel for you. In Alicante, here. Oh, he's following me. Look at him. Meow. Can you guys even see it? I don't think you guys can. Psst, psst, psst. Hi. It's like... it's a bit foggy, but it's fine. It's not as foggy as Silent Hill, but it's nice. So yeah. What I wanted to talk about is nostalgia and just how I feel weird because I don't really remember my childhood. I mean, I do, just like wow, that's insane. That's insane, dude. Can you like give me 1 second, please? Anyways, yeah, we are fine. So yeah, what I wanted to talk about is my, I guess, it's just, I feel weird. I'm 18 years old, and it feels like I've lived for about like 4, honestly. Because I have this like, I mean, I'm not sure. Like, I didn't exactly grow up in a good family. And so what my mind did is just like it keeps forgetting things. And like I don't really remember much stuff. So I feel like I've lived for a fraction of my lifetime. Which is sad, you know? And it is. Anyways, so today, I guess yesterday, I was watching the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody, and also the spin-off, which I've watched for for more. Yeah, I just liked it more. That's why I watched it more, I guess. Anyways, so I was watching this, the sitcom, and it's just so lovely. It's funny. It feels like it has soul in it, like the soul in it. Like, excuse me if I'm talking way too fast, because I'm just, I've got this Irish peoples. I've got this Irish peoples uh, coming to my school on Thursday, and I just kinda wanted to practice for a bit. So yeah, there's this. So I've been watching this show about Zack and Cody, which is about two twin brothers, and it's fun. I loved it. I watched about like 6 episodes today. Oh, it was lovely. I even decided to pirate it, to have it on my hard drive. Dude, I gotta speak more clearly. So I decided to pirate it, to have it on my hard drive, because some streaming services, they're ass. So yeah, there's this. Yeah, I love it. It there's this one episode about them going to Sweden in the second season, and I just remember being like 6-ish years old, 7, I don't know, like being on my family's computer with Windows XP, just watching it in Russian. Which, by the way, I tried to watch it in Russian. I just didn't like it. It felt weird. I don't know. It feels like, even though I'm Russian natively, I just don't like the language. I never did. What can I do here? Wait, night? What? What is that? Manual. Set to manual mode. I don't know what I'm doing. Apparently I can just, can you guys give me a second? Well, that did absolutely nothing. Anyways, where was I? So yeah, I was watching this show, the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody. I loved it. Watched it a lot as a child, along with with a blog. Yeah, I think there's a person here. Anyways, that's weird. This shit. I almost stepped on a pile of shit. We got a cross. Yeah, why not? I'm not sure if I can record for much longer, because the battery is about to die. Well, yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna try and record as much as I can. So yeah, be watching this show about the twins just wreaking havoc everywhere they go. Mostly Zach though. I like him. So this and what? Uh, Anyways, the reason that I decided to come out today is that I just, was kind of sick of scrolling Instagram, and I couldn't really sleep. I mean, I barely tried, but I knew that it was gonna take a while, so I just decided to take a walk. Anyways, I'm really missing like early 2010s. I guess I also really miss. I hate the fact that I don't remember much about it. I have this amnesia thing that I told you guys about. I should really just stick to the script, honestly. Anyways, I'm currently heading to the beach, in which I swam just the other day. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a beach we got here. I don't really like beaches that much, because I'm like allergic. Sorta. I just don't like him. I don't like seafood. It makes me sick. Even though I'm not like a picky eater. Like you can just give me pretty much everything, and I'll eat it in a second. But I'm just not a huge fan of seafood. Yeah, it's pretty much the only food that I don't like. Yeah, this screen is something. Like I cannot see anything. Wow. So yeah, it's been like 20 minutes since I decided to do this, and I didn't talk about anything. I mean, I pet some cats, which is nice. There's a cat coming here. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So yeah, I love Zack and Cody. I also love lab rats. A dog with a blog. Jesse. Oh man, I remember like being in Russia. I remember one day. I don't think I had school. I'm not sure. Anyways, I went to a store. I think I was alone. Bought myself some cereal or something. I don't know. It was like Carrefour. Yeah, I think it was like Carrefour or something like that. I mean, I don't think we had Carrefour in Spain in Russia. So yeah, it was like this blue store, blue supermarket. So I think I bought some cereal, came home, and then and there was like my grandma there at my place. So I just, you know, I had this like phone. I think I don't know. I was watching Jesse and eating cereal, and it was like early in the morning. I don't know. I was so young. I don't remember anything. So yeah, it's funny because like I think that my life right now is really good. Like I don't really eat that much, which is bad, and I know that, but like I just don't care. I could talk to more people, and I should, and I know that, but like I'm pretty satisfied with what I have. I'm really grateful. I'm like really grateful for it. Um, and I don't really regret anything, to be honest. I'm having I'm having these doubts about maybe studying psychology or being an educator at like a juvenile center. Yeah, I'm not sure about it. I don't know. I'm just having doubts because I don't wanna make a decision and then regret it, like I did with bachillerato and whatever I'm studying right now. I mean, honestly, again, I don't really have any regrets because like they formed the way that I am right now, and I'm thankful for what I am. But I just don't wanna be mistaken. Like I just wanna have a good job and enjoy it, and be helpful. So yeah, phew, buddy. Yeah, next year is gonna be epic. I don't think it's gonna be as good as this one, honestly. I'm saying this like a pessimist. Uh, I'm trying to say that like this year, I've done so many things. Like I got my English certificate, the C1 one. I had a job which I quit. and I sorta regret it, but like at the same time, I shouldn't have done that. But like, I don't know. I'm hopefully gonna get my driver's license soon, which will be epic. And many more things. You know, got close to a girl, which I learned a lesson about not giving too many chances to other people. Bought this video camcorder. Went to lots of anime conventions in which I was, giving away deodorants, which was funny. Really was. Watched lots of movies. Improved my Spanish, that's for sure. Like finally accepted the fact. I mean, haven't really accepted it yet, but like I get like I'm not exactly trying to forget Russian anymore. Like I guess I can speak it, but like I don't know. Oh, I mean this guy. I don't care, man. Yeah, you can just go. Did lots of crazy stuff. I don't know, man. I miss, again, like I'm really happy with where I am right now, but I do miss, I just kind of wish like the things were different. Like I was born here, maybe in like another country, like the Netherlands, maybe, the Switzerland. Also, would be not, yeah, it would be nice, honestly. But it is what it is. I cannot change anything. Oh, look at it. There's a bus. I reckon it's going to the bloody how do you call it? The airport. Can I like focus? Yeah. That's epic. It is currently 4:44 in the morning. I mean it's not, it's 3:44 actually. But like anyways. I like Chris's music. Alright, I was gonna eat my banana. But I'm gonna do it right now, actually. I hope you guys can see me, because like if you guys can, it's gonna be such a waste. Oh yeah, at least you guys can hear me. Who am I even talking to? Like it is really unlikely that I'm gonna post this. I don't care, I can post it anyway that I want. Yeah, that's banana, which is, oof. Yeah, it's been almost a week since I bought it. I mean, probably been like five days. Actually, still almost a week. Fun. So yeah, I watched lots of movies this week, and also I did last week. Time has been passing really fast this year. Like it feels like it was just yesterday that I was with Kevin. Here downtown with his family, just meeting the new year. And now I'm here in November, halfway through. That's crazy. I remember playing, it feels like it was just yesterday that I was playing Dead Space on January 1st. And I beat it in like 2 days. Good game, by the way. Man, I remember playing lots of horror games in January. And then I sort of, I played a bit there. I mean, I played a bit of horror games here and there. And not much more. So yeah. Mm, you've got a mindset 2, I've got mindset 3, said you know that I could call if you ever need me. I said I swear I'll be alright. I said I swear I'll be just fine. Make me wanna jump, make me wanna cry, make me wanna feel, make me feel alive, make me feel alive like you. Alive like you. Oh yeah, another thing. Um, for which I'm really grateful for, is that I just don't care. I mean, I really do care about like people and everything in my life. Like I care so much that I just do not care at all. Honestly, like I've got this like mindset that like everything happens for a reason, and like it's all for the better in your life. And I just gotta trust my instinct a bit more. I always should, honestly, because sadly it's almost always correct, and I just sort of ignore it, and then I regret it. But at the same time, like again, I don't really regret anything. Mate, I just want a girl that. And it's funny because I watched Barbie today, and yeah, it's fucked up. It's crazy how girls are supposed to be like pretty, be good, and shit. Like they gotta be perfect, like Barbies, which is not fair. Like people are not perfect. So yeah, um, where was I going with this? Is that like when I'm gonna get a girl, she's gonna be like me. Like we're gonna like she's probably gonna listen to like yeah she's probably gonna listen to alt, indie like me, a bit of hyperpop maybe. That'd be good. And just respect other people because you know. Hostia. Acabo de aparcar un tío aquí y va, es un poco XD. Pero bueno, yo es que ahora. I don't wanna. What was I going with this? It's that, you know, like when I'm gonna get a girl, it's just. I'm just gonna. Yeah, honestly. Like, I don't want this guy, like, overhearing me. Anyways, when I'm gonna get a girl, which is gonna be sometime, because, like, I just want a good person in my life. And a good person takes time to find, which is fine, because I'm open for it. Always has been. I mean, no, I haven't always been open to meeting new people, but I think I am right now. Yeah, that's, you know. Again, like I'm not really sad. Like I think I'm supposed to be sad, but I'm not. But since I'm supposed to be sad, because that's what I think, I'm making this face. Like honestly, I just don't care. Again, it feels like I care, but then like I don't. Yeah, it's crazy. That's stage banana, honestly. You know, gotta appreciate the little things in your life. Honestly, everybody should. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna upload this to my second channel somewhere. I don't care. It's gonna get 2 views. Me mostly. Oh man, it's gonna be like 40 minutes. I care so much that what else? Yeah, I've been watching lots of movies, TV shows. I watched The Penguin the other day. It was marvelous, to say like the least. It was amazing. I like the Batman, the movie that came out 2 years ago. Even though at first like I didn't quite get it, but now that now that some time has passed, I really enjoyed the aesthetic. I like this like grounded approach. It's dark. At times it's a bit way too dark, but I like it. I like it. What else? Yeah, I reckon I'm gonna watch like funny movies, 10, 15, uh, this month, and I'm looking forward for it. I'm trying to watch at least like one movie every day. If not, then maybe a bit of Zack and Cody. That's funny. Um, no, it's quite peaceful here. Honestly, it is. It is quite peaceful here. Like I'm trying to improve my English, my accent. Like again, like I don't want to. I don't want to sound Australian. I want people to understand me. You know what I mean? Um, it's gonna be such a bummer if you guys cannot like hear me from there. It's gonna suck. Um, what? There's like this Uber that's just downstairs. It's insane. Wow. This guy is kind of pretty. But it is. I'm looking forward to like getting my driver's license, as I said earlier. Oh, yeah, I have this like allergy. I don't know. I've got a chronic running nose, so I always have to have a tissue on me, a napkin, whatever, something to like dry my nose. Otherwise, it's just dripping. Like my cheese drippy. That's awful. I like, I know. I said that because I was like, yeah, I should like say that. But sometimes, like, I knew that it was gonna be suck, like it's gonna suck. But yeah, it's just again, like I don't care. I'm trying to be something that I'm not. I'm just a chill guy. No, that's. You see, I did it again. Like I tryna. I don't know. Like I said it like consciously. I wanted to say it, and now I'm like, maybe oh shit, my camera's about to die. I'm gonna save this. Give me a second. Yeah, it's like flashing red here. It means it's about to die. And I'm about to finish my banana, which is also about to die. Ta-da. Baby, will you call me when I'm feeling down? I don't want to go to your party. It would be awesome if like all the mean people died in the government and just on the streets, It was so good, like only having good people. Getting some work positions, getting some how do you call them? Spots, whatever. Jobs, I just yeah, we're currently at like a crisis. And we have been for like the past few years. Like it's just going down. I want to get my own place and just live good. I I was gonna circle so insane. Yeah, that's that man, or woman, whoever that is still there at the bus stop, just waiting for somebody. They have to be like on the break. It's gonna be like 4 a.m. in like 3 minutes. I don't even know who I am anymore. You said you like my music, you're proud of me and what you said again. I just don't have any regrets, honestly. It's like the third time that I'm saying this. But, I mean, I wish I had a good family. Cannot change it. It's like, again, like, if I cannot change anything, like, if I cannot change something, why should I give a shit? You know? If I can, like, make an impact. Oh, the guy's about, yeah, it's about to leave, finally. Yeah, just don't really, like, torture myself, but, like, the thoughts of trying to help something with something that I can't. Like, if I cannot do shit about it, no, okay, man, that sucks. I'm just gonna do something else and try to make an impact somewhere. Like, I wanted to go to